God doesn't want your rituals, He wants your heart. Saul learned the hard way. To obey is better than sacrifice. The world picks the strongest, but God picks the smallest. While the brothers stood in line, the shepherd was already chosen.
In a house of warriors, God found a worshiper.
With this oil, Goliath had the armor, but David had the name of the Lord. One stone, one strike. The giant falls because the battle belongs to the Lord.
Jealousy is a poison that turns a king into a hunter. Success for David meant a spear from Saul. Watch your heart when others rise. Success breeds jealousy in a hollow heart. Integrity is what you do in the dark. David had the knife, but he chose mercy. He refused to touch what God had anointed. The throne is a promise, but the cave is the preparation. Don't rush the process. The wilderness is where kings are made.